ExpenseWatch empowers you to make intelligent, informed approval decisions. Approvers are notified via email when they have invoices to approve. Users can either click on the link in the email or log into ExpenseWatch to access the approval inbox. Once logged into the system, the approval inbox view shows a list of all transactions awaiting approval. In this view, summary information is represented, allowing you to quickly approve one or more transactions, assuming the Quick Approve option is turned on by your administrator. Or you can drill into a specific transaction to view its line item details, supporting documentation to make approval decisions. The approval inbox is uniquely configurable, allowing you to see the information that is most important to you in the way that is most convenient to consume. Users can define the information they see for transactions in their inbox by using the column selection feature. Here, we see all the data fields that are available for inclusion in our inbox. Selected columns can then be ordered in the manner most useful to you, using the arrows in the column selector or by dragging and dropping the column where you would like to see it. Information can be configured by sorting any of the column headings. First by total, and now by vendor name. You can also create new tabs with filters that will show just those transactions matching your filtering criteria. You also have access to historical information related to a transaction and can see the BU or departmental and GL account allocations for a particular transaction. From this view, you can also easily see if documentation or comments are attached to a transaction, inviting you to drill in to see more detailed information. We'll drill into this transaction now. There are three sections that comprise the transaction detail screen. The header area, which includes summary level information for this transaction, the middle line item section, and the bottom transaction reports section. The header section can be expanded or collapsed to provide more screen real estate for the line item detail review. This area contains vendor information, bill to and ship to addresses, submitter and approver comments, and attachments if the submitter has attached them at the top of the invoice. The middle line item detail section includes all the line items on the transaction, and like the inbox, the users have the ability to select which columns appear, in the order that they appear, and are also empowered with the ability to sort the line item details by the column headings. Line item details of a transaction are initially shown in summary form. You can drill into a transaction to see all the details, including comments, allocation details, and more. You can approve or reject all items in this view, or approve select items while rejecting others. You can save your approvals for this transaction in progress and come back to it later. You can add an additional reviewer on the fly, and set up delegate approvers should you be out of the office. You also have the ability to customize a report to email or print in this section. Simply check off the items you want to see, and that information will begin populating a report in the order you make your selections. At the bottom of the details screen, you may have the option to select analytical reports to assist in your approval decision, depending upon the permission you've been granted by your administrator. The budget versus actual report is a good example. Here, we are presented with information about the impact of approving this transaction and where we would stand against our budget at the BU and GL account level. Once you've reviewed all the lines, selecting the Process button forwards the approved items to the next reviewer in your approval queue, while the rejected items are sent back to the submitter with comments to rework. ExpenseWatch Mobile also conveniently lets you review and approve payable invoices from your smartphone. Approvers see the Approve button from the home screen. All transactions awaiting approval, including expense reports, purchase requests, and payable invoices, are all easily accessible. you can quickly approve any transaction. Or drill into a transaction for closer inspection. You can approve or reject individual line items or the entire invoice. When you process your selections, you send approved items ahead and rejected items back to the submitter for rework. As an ExpenseWatch invoice approver, you have a robust set of tools available to fully empower you to make educated decisions and approve spending with confidence.